m is equal to 7 and omega c is equal to 1 radians per sample, use Hanning window. So the previous problem we have done this one, hd of 0, same problem it is, e to the power of minus j omega tau. So from that we have found out hd of 0, hd of 1, hd of 2, hd of 3, hd of 4, hd of 5 and hd of 6. Last class problem. Till here it will be the same thing. There in the previous problem it was rectangular window. Here it is Hanning window. Okay. So for Hanning window, what is omega n? It is equal to 0.5 into 1 minus cos of 2 pi n divided by m minus 1. So m is nothing but they have given 7. So 7 minus 1, it is 6. You have done this one. Vismaya, Sushmita, Kirti.
Yes, ma'am.
Got the same thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
W of omega of 0, omega of 1. When n is equal to 0, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. These are important problems. See, they'll be asking for 8 to 10 marks. So next, what you have to do? You have to find out h of n. What is h of n? hd of n into w of n is your h of n. You have got hd of n. You have got w of n. Okay. So what will be getting h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4 and h of 5 and h of 6. So they have asked only the filter coefficients, right? So here it is fine. So take down the next problem. Understood? You have got all these things correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
Next problem you will take down. The frequency response of an FIR filter is given by, so they have given h of omega, okay, which is equal to e to the power of minus j3 omega into 1 plus 1.8 cos 3 omega plus 1.2 cos 2 omega plus 0.5 cos omega. So determine the coefficients of the impulse response h of n of the FIR filter. So you need to find out the coefficients. So they have given h of omega. Okay. So from this, what you have to find out the coefficients of the impulse response h of n. So what they have given still? Again, one point is missing here. So you see this is one formula. Since they have given, here it is 3 omega. Okay, here they have given 3 omega. So let us assume that this as alpha. So alpha is equal to 3. Okay, so when you will be getting alpha is equal to 3, this is n minus 1 by 2. So when n is equal to 7, that is 7 minus 1, it is 6. 6 by 2, it is 3. So when n is equal to 7, you will be getting 3 omega like this. Okay, got understood? So from this equation, we find out that n is equal to odd. N is odd. Since it is 3 omega and n is equal to 7, 7 minus 1 divided by 2, it is 3 omega. And hence we assume that n is equal to 7. And since n is odd, this is the equation. You have to remember this one. So it is e to the power of minus j omega n minus 1 by 2 into h of n minus 1 by 2. For when n is odd, this formula. When n is even, the formula is different. I think in the first class of this module, I have given some list. So in that it is C. H of n minus 1 divided by 2 plus summation n is equal to 0 till n minus 3 by 2 to h of n cos of omega of n minus 1 by 2 it is. So you write down the given problem. you compare it. Okay, so when you compare this h of n minus 1, you will be having h of 3. So e to the power of minus j, this becomes 3 omega h of 3 plus summation n is equal to 0. 7 minus 3 by 2, it is again 2. 2 h of n cos of omega n minus 3. You elaborate this one and compare it with the problem. Okay. Understood? You substitute for n and write this equation. After writing this equation, you expand this one. After expanding, you compare it with the question what they have given. Okay. So here it is. So it is like this. When you elaborate it, it is like this: e to the power of minus j3 omega into h of 3 plus 2. When you elaborate this one, for n is equal to 0 to 2. So what you will be getting? 2 into h of 0 cos of omega. 0 minus 3 will be getting 2 h of 1 cos of 2 omega plus 2 into h of 2 cos of omega, like this. Okay. So after writing this equation, you compare it with the given problem. When you compare, what you get, h of 3 will be equal to 1, h of 0 will be equal to 0.9, h of 1 is equal to 0.6, h of 2. You compare here with the question. So multiply with this 2. 2 into 0.9, you will be getting 1.8. So when you compare with the problem, you will be getting h of 0 is equal to 0.9, h of 1 will be equal to 0.6, h of 2 is equal to 0.25. Okay. So h of n is equal to h of n minus, we know that it follows the symmetric property. So h of 6 will be equal to h of 0, h of 5 will be equal to h of 1, h of 4 will be equal to h of 2. Okay. So like this, you will be finding out the filter coefficients. Got understood? Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us go for the other problem. So now you do this and tell me the desired frequency response of a low pass filter is given by, you all shouldn't see your WhatsApp because I've already sent this one. So HD of e to the power of j omega is equal to HD of omega, which is equal to e to the power of minus j3 omega 0, where omega is less than 3 pi by 4, and it is 0 when it varies from 3 pi by 4 till pi. Okay. To determine the frequency response of the FIR filter if Hamming window is used with n is equal to 7. What they have given? So you know this formula, HD of n is equal to, you have to take the IDFT inverse. So it is nothing but 1 by 2 pi integration minus pi to pi HD of omega into e to the power of j omega n into d omega. So substitute for HD of omega and substitute for the limits. Okay. So what it is nothing but 1 by 2 pi minus 3 pi by 4 till 3 pi by 4. Okay. So what is HD of omega? What they have given? They have given us e to the power of minus j 3 omega. So substitute that. E to the power of minus j 3 omega into e to the power of j omega n into d omega with respect to omega it is. So now you can take e to the power of j omega into n minus 3 from minus 3 pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. So when you integrate this with respect to omega, what it is? It is nothing but 1 by 2 pi e to the power of j omega n minus 3 divided by j into n minus 3. Okay. So limits 3 pi by 4 to minus 3 pi by 4. So when you substitute the limits, how will you get? It is 1 by 2 pi into e to the power of j 3 pi by 4 into n minus 3 minus of e to the power of minus j 3 pi by 4 into n minus 3 like this. Okay, so what is the formula? It is e to the power of j theta minus e to the power of minus j theta divided by 2j is your sin theta. Yes or no? So we will rearrange this one. So I'll take pi into n minus 3 outside, 2j I will send inside. So what will be getting? It is nothing but e to the power of j theta minus e to the power of minus theta. Okay. So what is theta here? It is nothing but sine of 3 pi by 4 n minus 3 divided by pi of n minus 3. So this complete is sine theta. Theta is nothing but this part. Okay. So sine theta divided by pi of n minus 3. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This is when n is not equal to 3. Okay. So when n is equal to 3, what happens? Let us substitute that here. So when we substitute here, it is nothing but e to the power of 0. That is nothing but 1 into d omega. Got? This is when n is not equal to 3. What happens when n is equal to 3? Let us substitute in this. So what happens here? This becomes anything to the power of 0, it becomes 1. So 1 into d omega. So what you have to do? Substitute, integrate and substitute the limits. So what happens here? 1 by 2 pi minus 3 pi by 4 till 3 pi by 4 e to the power of 0 d omega. So it is nothing but 1 into d omega. So what happens when we substitute it with limits? It is 1 by 2 pi, 3 pi by 4 minus of minus 3 pi by 4, it is plus 3 pi by 4. Okay. So what happens? It is 6 pi by 4. When you calculate it, it is when you cancel, it is 3 pi by 4 you will be getting 3 by 4. Okay. So when n is equal to 3. So for Hamming window, what is the formula? These formulas you should remember very correctly. Okay. So Hamming window formula is 0.54 minus 0.46 cos of 2 pi by 2 pi n divided by n minus 1. So n is equal to 7. 7 minus 1 it is 6. Okay. So now, so let me calculate HD of 0. It is here. HD of 0, put 0 and calculate and tell me HD of 1, HD of 2 till HD of 6. In the same way, W Hamming 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to calculate. Keep it in radians and calculate. Okay. So after finding out how to find out H of n, H of n is multiplication of this and this. Okay. You calculate and see whether you are getting the same answers. Calculate and tell me whether you are getting the same answer. HD of n, you take down this formula. Okay. Calculate Hamming window formula. Take down and calculate and tell me what you are getting answers. This is also asked in the previous question papers. This problem they've asked for 8 marks in June, July 2018. Got? Keep it in radians and calculate and tell me the answers. Got answers? Nobody got? Arvind?
We are doing now.
Starting HD of 0, HD of 1 also you didn't get?
Madam, h of n value, h of 0, madam, 6 into 10 power minus 3, madam.
Huh?
H of 1 minus 0.04929, madam.
0 minus 0.159 it is.
H of n, madam, h of n value.
Minus 0.049.
Yes, madam. Minus
Got,
0.049. Yes, madam.
If these two
Next.
things you get correctly, this one you will get correctly only.
Yes, madam.
Others,
H
keep
of
it in gradients and do it. See, for this one, Hamming window, this one, what you can do is keep it in radians. Okay. So then type 0.54 minus 0.46. Okay. Cos 2 pi. You take this as A. Alpha, shift alpha A. Instead of n, you put directly A divided by 6. Next, if you may have an option solve or calculate, CAL. So you press that solve. Okay. So when you press that solve, A question mark you'll get. Okay. When you get A question mark, what you do? You put A is equal to 0. You need not type each and every time and calculate it. So next time A is equal to 1 you put. Okay. Getting? Understood, everyone? You have calculators?
Yes, ma'am.
You're doing how I am telling?
No, ma'am. Can you just repeat it again?
What you do, you type 0.54, okay, minus 0.46. Before that, keep it in radians. Then type 0.54 minus 0.46 cos 2 pi, press shift alpha A. Or only alpha A. Okay. Divided by 6. Then there is one written as solve. In some calculators, it may be solve or it may be CAL. Calculate, I think. Okay, press that. There it comes A question mark. So when it comes A question mark, you can put 0, you can put 1, okay, you can put 2, 3 till 6. Instead of n, what we have done, we have taken A. So whenever A is equal to 0, A is equal to 1, A is equal to 2, you can substitute and you can calculate this one. Directly you will get off the answers. You need not type again and again this equation. I think you may be knowing all these things. Got?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Everyone, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Calculated this one, h of n?
No, ma'am, I did handing window only, ma'am.
Calculate this one also. So next will be what is the question they have given? They have given the frequency response. You have to determine the frequency response. Okay. So what is the formula for frequency response? As we know what they have given, n is equal to 7. When n is equal to 7, it is odd. So for odd, you have this equation. Okay, frequency response is h of e to the power of j omega, that is h of omega. So you need to find out this one. So as we know, when n is equal to 7, that means it is odd. For odd, we have this formula. Okay, we have this formula when n is equal to 7. That is, when n is odd, we have this formula. E to the power of minus j omega n minus 1 by 2 into h of n minus 1 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 0, n minus 3 by 2, 2 h of n cos of omega n minus 1 by 2. Okay. So substitute for n, elaborate this one. You will be getting this equation. Substitute for h of 0, substitute for h of 1, substitute for h of 2. So after substituting, you will be getting this one. This one is the desired frequency response. Okay. Got understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
there is
ma'am.
one more topic. That topics, if that completes one part of your 5th module, that is will get completed. That I will do it tomorrow. Any doubts?